Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here, and we have a problem with check engine light. We changed the computer. Maybe it's gonna start now. Okay. Sometime it starts, sometime not. But we try to program it. Okay.
Start now.
Okay, start now. See, it doesn't want to start. So let me try to diagnose the car, program the software with the right one, and then we see what's gonna happen next. I'm just communicating now with the car. This is F150, right? 4-door. This is 245,000 miles, which if you maintain your car, mileage doesn't matter. So now here, the information. So the first one, you change it because of the check engine light is on.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the car. It says 2003 or 2002. So now I'm gonna go to self test. All modules. To be sure, just okay. The piece is not connected. The OBD2 is not connected. So let me connect the OBD2, which is here. It says not connected yet. VCM is there. Let me see what happened. I suppose VCM2 connect. Yes, now it's up to date. I'm gonna say okay. So we're gonna come back to communicate with the car. We're gonna read the DTC because we just upload everything. Maybe in a few I'm gonna request it will request the VIN. Okay, those are the code that we have it, and in the bottom here, it say that vehicle identification block corrupted or not programmed. Maybe this is one of the reason. You see here, we say vehicle corrupted or not good. So we're gonna go back to the data here, and then we go to programming, and then program installation. We're gonna program the PCM. We say turn the key off, and then on again. I gotta put internet too because we need to get internet. Turn the Wi-Fi on. We're gonna connect this one, connect it. Because if you don't do the internet, you can go nowhere. Checking the network. Be sure it's good connected, and we have to test it. If it's not, we can use our cell phone too. It's the same thing. Now we have good internet. I want to be sure that no, not yet. Before I do that, I want to be sure I have internet. Because if you don't have internet, let me go to AC Delco. Yes, my internet is good now. I'm gonna close this. I come back. Ignition is off now. Key is off. I'm gonna click next. Ignition must be on again. Click next. Now programming VIN. Now give me the VIN number. Read it for me, the VIN. You can get it here in the door or in the side. Look at it where it is. Anything here?
Yeah, I don't have my glasses.
If I give you this, I can see nothing too. Where is the registration?
Here.
Yeah, give me. It have it. You don't need to put a cursor here to click. Okay, just start putting the VIN. The door is open, so okay, I'm gonna try to write down the VIN number. It's 1 F as in Frank TRX 1 F as in Frank TRX 1 F TRX 17 William 72 17 William 72 17 William 72 17 William 72 Nancy Boy 93 Nancy Boy 93 1911 191. So I'm gonna go next. That's the VIN number is correct. 1 Frank Thomas Robert X-ray 17 William 72 Nancy Boy 93. So that's good. So I'm gonna say okay. Okay, he said backup. Do you connect to the internet? Say yes. We're gathering the software. As soon as we finish programming this, it's supposed to go away. So gathering data now from the internet. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna click here too. Give him time to collect the data. Okay, next again. You just follow the step. We're gonna wait for it. Everything computerized. Before, Ford and GM used to send us a CDs. At this CD with any update. That means if today, if they have 1 million mechanic shop, have a million mechanic shop, and they have an update in their system, they're gonna send about 1 million CD outside. Watch, close the door. الو يستين دقيقة يا حبيبي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله خليك معي بس عليك دقيقة بس turn the ignition on off click next here install the new say yes okay now he may ask you to turn the ignition on I'm gonna turn the ignition on why you have a problem with this key okay Lee do you have a problem with this key yeah now it's open it's good I just opened it so I turned the ignition on so now I'm gonna click next okay do you want to try again say yes okay it's the on off hold on off on again let me see on turn on no response from the PC is that true I don't believe that it's supposed to respond the PCM supposed to respond أحمد الحاج خلينا نضرب لك بعد شوي you see open that's very funny say FEPS open circuit ignition switch 0 try again okay I don't know what that means flash EEPROM program signal okay that's pretty funny okay I turn the ignition off I want to try again turn the key off yes on I turn it on click next we have a problem here it doesn't want to take the programming that's why maybe it doesn't want to take the programming that's why something wrong with it it doesn't want to start also yes I want to try again turn the key off turn the key on in a few let me see what happened now I turn the key on yeah he doesn't want to take programming so at least this computer is supposed to start and if it doesn't take programming tell my son to get me some charger I charge the car there's a problem in this car so let us put a test light and try to spend some time on it it's very funny so now we are going to put a battery charger and we are going to see why we are not able to communicate with this car which is very funny we just communicate with the engine computer but I'm not able to do anything maybe the battery is a little bit low but we're gonna stay here like this till we try a different way. But this is how you get problem when you try to program a car.
Yeah.